Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer subtitles and captions in YouTube Studio, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer subtitles and captions in YouTube Studio, start by logging into your YouTube account. Navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select Content to access your videos. Find the video for which you want to transfer subtitles or captions. Click on the title or the thumbnail of the video to open the video details. On the video details page, look for the Subtitles tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Subtitles tab to view existing subtitles and captions. Here, you will see a list of languages available for your video. To add or transfer subtitles, click on the Add Language or the language you want to modify. If you are adding a new language, select the language from the drop-down menu. Once selected, click on Add to begin editing subtitles for that specific language. To transfer subtitles from another video, go back to the Content tab. Find the video that contains the subtitles you want to transfer. Click on that video's title to access its details. Under the Subtitles tab, locate the relevant subtitles you wish to use. You can manually copy the subtitles from there or download them using the Download option. Once you have copied or downloaded the subtitles, return to your target video. In the Target Video Subtitles tab, click on Add Next to the desired language. Paste the copied subtitles into the provided text area or upload the downloaded file. After entering or uploading the subtitles, you can adjust the timing and format as necessary. Make sure to review the subtitles for accuracy and clarity. Once satisfied, click on Publish to save the changes. Your subtitles will now be transferred and available for viewers in the selected language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.